Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home, and we're here to help you decide which sleeper sofa to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links of the products we mention are in the description below. Sleeper sofas are versatile pieces of furniture that may look like your average sofa, but with a few easy movements, it can be transformed into a bed. In fact, several modern sleeper sofas were created specifically for this function, making them an excellent sleeping area. Whether you personally like to sleep on your sofa or you want to give your guests a better sleeping experience, investing in a good sleeper sofa will definitely make your life so much easier. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best sleeper sofas to keep you and your guests comfortable all night long. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The sleeper sofas that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish, and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the number 1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational lists related to content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The sleeper sofa coming in at number 5 on our list is the DHP Andora Coil Futon Sofa Bed. This sofa from DHP features a beautiful modern look that comes in a number of color finishes to easily fit into your home decor. This sofa bed's overall dimensions are 76 by 34 by 33.5 inches and it weighs 102 pounds. This means the futon is small enough for tight living spaces while providing you with big style and comfort. Our team loved the sofa's mid-century modern look. We think it looks absolutely stunning as the tufted upholstery gives this futon its unique charm. The futon is available in either black or white faux leather. It is also available in gray or navy blue linen. The numerous offering of color options makes it easy for this futon to fit into your decor. Our team also loved the sleek wooden legs that add to the sofa's style. Additionally, the center legs also provide extra stability. The split-back design of this sofa, on the other hand, is its selling feature, as it allows guests to adjust their comfort angle. This allows the seated people to either sit up, lounge back, or lie flat in a reclining position. Our team loved how easy and convenient it is to convert this couch into a bed. The independently encased coils are designed to offer complete comfort by day and extra support at night when your futon opens up for overnight guests. Lastly, this sofa bed is incredibly easy to assemble, and included instructions were clear, and it came with all of the hardware and even tools needed to assemble the sofa. Our team absolutely loved the sofa bed's modern design and recline adjustability for added comfort. We recommend the sofa bed for people who want to enjoy their sofa beds in different reclining positions. And so the sofa makes the number 5 spot on our list. The sleeper sofa coming in at number 4 on our list is the Serta Rane Convertible Sofa. This sleeper sofa from Serta is an affordable unit that deceptively looks like it's a designer piece. This beautiful sofa is made from premium quality polyester and has a solid hardwood frame construction. The sofa measures 66.1 by 33.1 by 29.5 inches and weighs about 60.5 pounds. Our team instantly loved the sofa and lounger's ultra-chic style. Elegant lines detail the sofa, which gives it a retro look with a cool mod vibe. Aside from looking like a designer piece out of a magazine, our team was also quite impressed with this sofa's comfortability as well. This is because of its high-density foam cushions, which are thick and cozy. This makes the sofa perfect for hours of enjoyment on family movie nights. This couch also transforms into a lounger or a bed in a few steps. So whether you're sitting or sleeping, the sofa can adjust easily to your desired function. Additionally, the springs and pocket coils are strong enough to ensure long-term living room usage. Our team also thinks that this sofa is perfect for a first apartment. This is because for a beautiful, comfortable sofa, this unit comes at quite a friendly price tag. Lastly, everything you need to put on the sofa is already included upon the shipment's arrival, so you won't need extra tools for assembly. The Serta Rane Convertible Sofa is beautiful and versatile enough to complement any living area. Its great value for money makes us believe this is perfect for people getting their first apartment or home, and so it earns the number 4 spot on our top 5 list. The sleeper sofa coming in at number 3 on our list is the Lilola Home Reversible Sleeper Sectional Sofa. This sectional sofa from Lilola is especially good looking because of its handcrafted design. This ensures the unit to be a centerpiece to any living room decor. This sleeper sofa measures 86 by 54 by 35 inches and weighs 192 pounds. Its frame material is made of solid wood with an upholstery material made of cotton blended fabric. These provide great support and helps ensure longevity of the sofa. Our team loved the handcrafted nail head design, which looks very high-end and adds elegance to any room. This sleeper sofa has muted gray steel model, making it easy to be able to complement your home's decor as well. However, our team thinks you should first measure your living room so you will have the space for this couch unit, as it is a sectional sofa. Aside from that, the sleeper sofa is very easy to change from sectional to bed in a matter of minutes. This is perfect for when you have overnight guests, such as children's sleepover and out-of-town relatives. An added bonus with the sofa is the storage that is built into its chase. It is the perfect hiding place for books, magazines, or even snacks for movie nights. What we love about the Lilola Home Reversible Sleeper Sectional Sofa is its excellent handcrafted nailhead design, additional storage in the chase, and easy to transition sofa to sleeper. Our team thinks this sleeper sofa is excellent for anyone looking for additional sleeping space for overnight guests, as well as additional storage for stuff you'd want at the ready in your living room. This is why this sofa takes the number 3 spot on our top 5 list. The sleeper sofa coming in at number 2 on our list is the YAHEETECH Convertible Sofa. The sleeper sofa from YAHEETECH is made of high-quality material and has a premium-looking design while being the most affordable product on this list. The sofa is crafted with a plywood frame, faux leather covering, and strong metal spring for robust structure and unmatched durability. This ensures safety, stability, and durability. Our team was particularly impressed to find that this strong futon couch can easily hold up to 772 pounds. The sofa has 3 convertible positions for sitting, sleeping, and lounging. This means you only need 1 convertible futon in the room to provide a cozy spot for watching TV and getting a night of good sleep. The team also appreciated the water-resistant faux leather upholstery and chrome-plated legs of the sleeper sofa. This means it can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth and mild cleanser. For movie night, you'll also be glad to hear that this unit comes with 2 cup holders under the armrest to hold drinks in. If you aren't keen on doing that, it can be just as easily folded when not in use. Lastly, the sofa is quite easy to assemble. It only takes 3 steps and a few minutes to set up the futon. Our team was impressed with how the YAHEETECH Convertible Sofa offers luxurious appeal at such an inexpensive price. With its features like faux leather and cup holder armrest made this product unique among the other products on our list. This is why our team felt this sofa deserves to be at the 2nd spot on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 sleeper sofa on our list, the Novogratz Brittany Sofa Futon. This sofa futon from Novogratz is a stylish futon that comes in multiple colors, ensuring the unit fits well into your decor. With its rib-tufted cushioned back, the Novogratz Brittany Sofa Futon gives your body all the support you need to sit and relax for hours. The combination of curved armrests and slanted legs work together to provide a unique, rounded look that stands out. The linen or faux leather upholstery adds another element of elegance, making this a perfect statement piece for any living space. This sofa futon's multi-position with the split-back design allows it to convert freely between a sitting, lounging, and sleeping position with a simple push-and-pull motion. This makes it perfect for relaxing for a long period of time, as you can easily switch between different sitting or laying positions. Additionally, our team was impressed with the extra back legs that provide extra support for your overnight guests when in a sleeping position. Lastly, you'll also be glad to hear that this sofa futon is available in numerous trendy colors. This makes it a versatile sofa unit that can either add a pop of color to your space or provide a neutral statement piece to build your decor around. Overall, we love the Novogratz Brittany Sofa Futon for its high-quality linen upholstery, multifunctional nature, and a wide range of colors to accompany your style. And of course, its affordable price tag for a premium product. We highly recommend this sleeper sofa to people who already have pre-arranged themes and styles in their living rooms. The versatility and the color option that this unit offers makes it perfect for fitting into any style of home decor, and so it earns the highest spot on our top 5 list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 sleeper sofas which got our team at In the Home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next sleeper sofa roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.